Hey guys, I just wanted to pop on here and give you a quick little video about this week's assignment. This week is going to be super light because it's fall break. Yay. Even though it doesn't really feel like fall outside, hopefully we'll have some fall temperatures that come in soon. Anyway, we talked a little bit about last week, if you read over the PowerPoints, about the feeding the world, and that there is developing countries that are making less than $1 a day. And I'm sure that they know how to budget their money and how they live the best lifestyle that they can. But I think if we, us Americans, had to live on $1 a day, our budget would look totally different, and so would our lifestyle. I think it would be a change for us. So I really wanted us this week to focus on a budget. If you don't personally have a budget, I really think this would be something that you would benefit from for this class. So I have everybody pulled up over here. For sustainable, and I'm going to look back and forth, so I'm sorry that I don't look at the camera the whole time, and call out your name, and I'm going to give you 2 jobs that I picked from this stack, okay? And I'll type the information on the assignment where you turn in your assignment, so you don't have to feel like you got to jot everything down, but I will read out the title of your jobs for you. And after you get your job, you are then, as you can see on the back of the screen here, a monthly budget worksheet, and so you're going to look at your monthly expenses. You're going to look at it in a detailed way as well. Your housing, transportation, and other costs. And how you're going to figure out that is I'm going to upload these documents for you. They're going to come through as PDFs, and they explain cars that you can get per month, leisurely items like owning an iPad or anything like that. And then my personal favorite is you get to pick out housing with your budget. So you get to see how much you pay per month, if I could get that out. And so you will get to shop around and kind of decide what you want. I think it is so fun. It's one of my favorite assignments. So we're going to get started. I promise I'm going to lay these out, shuffle them up, mess them up as much as I can. Hopefully you will get drawn a good job, and or 2 really good jobs, and then you can just decide, or if you think that maybe at one you could do part-time, you can specify that you're going to do it part-time. All right, so we're going to start with Dylan. Dylan, you're up first, okay? So Dylan, let me pick out 2 here. All right, Dylan, you're going to be a mover, a professional mover, or you are going to be a licensed practical nurse. So you are either going to choose mover or a nurse, licensed practical nurse. All right. So, and I have these labeled for you so I can type these up. All right, Noah, you're next. Let's see what Noah can do. All right, Noah. All right, Noah, you are either going to be a carpenter or a preschool teacher. Noah, again, you're going to be a carpenter or a preschool teacher. All right, Cameron, you're up next, bud. Let's see. All right, Cameron, you are either going to be electrician or a high school degree is what you would need for this one, a short order cook. Short order cook or a electrician. All right, let me shuffle these up. Get a good one over here, hopefully. All right, here we go. DC, this is you. DC, you are either a cashier or a marine biologist. Cashier, marine biologist. DC, that's yours. All right, Kelsey, you're up next. Let me see what I can get picked out. All right, Kelsey, you are either going to be a city planning aide or a hotel motel clerk. Again, Kelsey, you are either going to be a city planning aide or a hotel motel clerk. So cool. All right, Miss Kelsey. All right, Kelsey. All right. And then we will go to the next person, which is Tyler. Tyler. All right, Tyler, you are either going to be a dietitian or a nutritionist, or a home health aide? Again, Tyler, you're going to be a dietitian, nutritionist, or home health aide. All right, Christina, this is you. I have some good ones in here too, so I'm trying to be fair and make sure I pick wisely. All right, you are either going to be a security guard or administrative assistant, executive secretary. Again, Christina, you are going to be a security guard or administrative assistant, executive secretary. All right, Betsy. Betsy, you're up next. All right, Betsy, you're going to be a floral designer or a florist or a landscape architect. Again, Betsy, floral design, landscape architect. All right, last but not least is Miss Jessica. All right, Miss Jessica. You are going to be either a real estate agent or a non-technical sales representative. Again, Jessica, non-technical or real estate. Okay. Again, guys, I will type up exactly everything that's on your card and provide that in this assignment document that will be on Canvas. You will need to complete monthly budget worksheet 1 and expense worksheet number 1. You will find your extra information about housing and leisure items here. I will post those in the form of PDFs on module 4 for you, and that's the only thing that will be due this week. So hopefully you can enjoy fall break on me, and we will get back to it after fall break, and hopefully the fall weather will be here shortly. Please let me know if you have any questions.